am Dale Pinkert. I'm your anchor here in FX Street's live analysis room. I believe everyone that's been spending time with us the last couple of days was not surprised by the movements in the FX markets post-Fed. There are quite a few ideas that you could have taken action after the minutes. Just a few that I mentioned. US dollar yen. Talked about a stop hunt in US dollar yen over those highs. All we did was spike it right here. Nice scalp after the stop hunt in the yen. We diagnosed Canada as being the weakest one, that it did not make new highs like the Swiss, US dollar Swiss, and US dollar yen did. So another good scalp. I'd say the only disappointment was euro pound. I still think it's an abasing process. This rally to 53 in the pound did not surprise me. I had some 3 drive lines up here. We may not even be done yet. But I'd say all in all, we were all very prepared for what happened after the Fed minutes. Nice job, Lar. Good for you guys. You're already making money. Hello, Malcolm, Alien, Fame, Sir Vedran. Vedran's looking for 105. Yeah, because you know that euro line, Ved, keeps getting lower. The 3 drive line. But this could have been the low. But there could be one more shot down. 550 is where I have it coming in now. Let's see yours. Okay. We get above this. Going to 8.5. Thank you, Sir Vedran. Snaga Ved. We'll be speaking with Val later. Hello, Forex Pipper. Pete, nice to meet you. Everyone, welcome, Pete. You new here, Pete? Maybe that's Pete Soros. Is that it? Hello, Pete. Everyone, make Pete feel at home. I see a few other new handles in here today. Is that you, Pete Soros? Tico's here. Abel's here. Rob's here. Alexander's here. I think this is a new handle. Welcome, Thebout. Everyone, welcome, Thebout. V-A-U-T. Welcome, Thebout. SK Forex, I believe that's a new handle. I agree, Pete. We're close. Yeah, we're close. I think it's worth a shot. Welcome. Everyone, welcome SK Forex. Welcome, SK. Hi, Adinda. Hello, Khalid. Fame's in the house. Okay. So as far as the stock indexes are concerned, here's my view. I think it's a decent shot up here. I think we've retraced 78% of this decline right here. I think that we could get a nice pullback and eventually take out this low. So I concur it's a good shot, risking the highs, get out of the way if it makes new highs. I hope that helps, Pete. That's the S&P chart. So give me a why if you think hanging out in Lar prepared you for what happened in the markets yesterday afternoon. Here's my why. It prepared me. How about you guys? Hello, Goldie. I think yesterday when Tico was bottom picking the Kiwi, Veteran asked me to draw a third drive line. Remember this, Veteran? Wave one down. Do you have any charting software? Because we share our ideas with screenshots, Pete. Because a picture speaks 1,000 words. Hello, Abel. So if you can get some screenshot software, we could see what you're talking about. So remember that, Veteran? So it went almost right to the line for a 3 driver. 1, 2, 3. Worked pretty good. Although Aussie was a little stronger, it did not make new lows, the Aussie. But we talked about this yesterday in the Kiwi, right here. I think we were here. We were testing the lows. And then I said, not yet. Okay. I hope Tico gutted it out. It was a nice trade. And it was maybe only 30 pips of, from when Tico talked about it, drawdown, which isn't terrible. I don't know. Okay, cool, Pete. So if you could show your Dow idea, we'd all benefit from you showing your charts. Tapish? So if you love LAR like I do, give me a Y. Well, congratulations to you, Bedrin. You took that trade. It was a good one. Yeah. Had a couple of opportunities. So I think we went to the level I talked about when I looked at the Swiss chart. This must have been the minutes here. So 102.20. Thank you, Alien. Yeah. Nice trade, Alien. Hi, Zabi. So Alien made that Swiss call before the... Okay. Well, don't worry. There'll be another opportunity. So Alien put out the Swiss top call before it happened. So I'm giving Alien the Man Award. And with that, I'll sing the Use Less Leverage song. Congratulations, Alien. Congrats. Use less leverage when you trade the markets. Use wider stops so they don't get picked off. If you don't use less leverage, you lose your head account. It will be dead. Use less leverage when you trade the markets. Wider stops so you don't get picked off. Use less leverage or you might lose your head and your account will be dead. Use less leverage. Nice shot. See, so Alien took a few days off last week to clear his head, and he was patient and waited for the setup. Hi, Alexandros. How are you? And he waited for his price and his entry, and he got it, and he was rewarded. So actually, you got paid a lot of money last week to get flat the market, Alien. That's a great example. That's a great example of getting flat, reassessing, not being attached or emotional to an outcome of a trade, and then putting together your plan and being ready ahead of time to take advantage of what you see. That was a classic live example that Alien just gave us. Took some time off, reflected, went over his work, recharged his battery, had his ideas and his entries all laid out beforehand, and then took advantage of it yesterday. So you are the man, Alien. Great example of how to trade. Great example. So you didn't have to be in the market all week, did you? Yesterday was the right day to be in the market. Today may not be. Yesterday, the day before yesterday wasn't. Anyone want to help Pete? Can you just post the link as an image? Someone help Pete share a screenshot, tell him how to do it. I don't know how. Who else is here today? Hosen, Bilal, welcome to LAR. Borges in the house. Marco's here. Israel's here. Hello, Izzy. How are you? I bet you saw the divergence in US dollar yen yesterday, right, Israel? Pete's here. Zabi's here. Jax is here. Fab is here. And we have a new handle. Everyone, welcome Ghost. Welcome Casper, the friendly ghost, to our community. Welcome, Ghost. This is Zabi's look. USD CAD, yeah. It's not over. It could break this wedge line here. Because crude's on its way to new lows. And if Canada can't make new highs during this last phase of this crude decline, it could do this from here. Nice look, Zabi. Like it. Thank you, Zabi. Okay, so you got in again. When you hit, you weren't patient for the divergence. Then you got it and went in. Okay, beautiful. You know, that's a sign of a pro. What Tico is saying right here, what Tico did yesterday, most people cannot do. So I think he was long here or long here. And then and he got stopped out. And then there was one more dip and he saw the divergence and the formation. And he recommitted after taking a loss to the same trade, which many can't do. Most will get stopped out and, go and lick their wounds and, oh, well, I'm done for the day. Well, the market screwed me today, so I'm going to teach the market a lesson. I'm not going to trade. I'll show them. They're not going to get my money again. I got burned. They went for my stop, and now I lost money. So I'm taking the rest. I'm closing my account. Instead, Tico, like a professional, liked the trade, at support, had money management where he lost a few pips, stayed with the market, saw this action after the minutes, went with it, and he's got a great long position on. So everyone congratulate Tico for being a pro. You are a pro, Tico. 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 What's Goldie got? You want me to write a song about you, Tico? Oh, no, this is a hangout. What are we looking at? Looks like the euro. I can't enlarge it, but it's right against the trend line. All right, I see it. Thank you, Goldie. Whoops. What? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Goldie. Not easy to do. Who agrees with me that when you're taken out of a trade, stopped out of a trade, that it's hard to recommit to the same trade, especially the same day? I'd say 90% of the people out there cannot do what he did. Oh, here's Pete's look on the Dow. It's got it labeled as a fifth wave advance. Thank you, Pete. ABC. So is this the end of 2? This should be the end of B or 2 up here, right? B or 2 with a C or a 3 to the downside. Is that your take? Oh, looking for a failing rally. I see. Okay. Alien's got an oil look here. Wow, there's nice divergence there. 4 hour, pretty good. Another reason to look to be short Canada. Oops. It's a nice crude oil look from Alien. Another reason to be selling rallies in USD CAD right there. Who loves LAR? Who loves LAR? Give me a Y if you love LAR. Kiwi working for Tico. If you want to be a pro, there's only one place to go. You gotta be a star to show your charts in LAR. And if you treat it like Tico, you'll know that you got to let go. But get right back in. Let go, get back in. Let go, get back in. So if you need a new car, come on and hang out in LAR. You'll hear my useless leverage song, and you'll memorize it before too long. Give me an L. Hey. R, 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 LAR. Yeah, all I could say is it's a good thing I'm doing this in the privacy of my own home, or they'd be taking me away. They'd be taking me away. Who likes the music in LAR? What's that mean? Izzy, what's that mean? Yeah. Is it helping gold? Yeah, gold's rallying too. So maybe I missed the bottom in gold. I don't know. I'm going to wait. Everyone doing all right? So Valeria will be with us in about 50 minutes. Val will be with us. Euro GBP. Everyone welcome Euro Pound to our community. You guys like the music in here? Wow. We have someone named a pair here. Welcome, Euro Pound. Hi, Pegasus. How are you? Forex Pipper, how are you? Yo, hey, how's it going? Borgia, my buddy. Marco Polo, how are you? John 573, how's it going? Ricardo, how are you? Fab, Khalid, Ghost, Ed. Oh, Goldie, Alien called it out yesterday. Alien called it out yesterday. Yeah, welcome EG to our community. EG's turning too. EG's turning. This was a classic stop hunt in the end. Let's face it, guys. It may not be, yeah, it may not be a dollar crash, but we certainly diagnosed the top in the dollar, and not only in the dollar, but several instruments. We certainly diagnosed this action, and we were prepared for it, looking for it from last week. No one in large should have been surprised about the dollar giving up some of its bid in the levels we were talking about. How have you been, Simon? How's it going? Pegasus is here, so we're probably close to, yeah. Everyone doing okay? There goes the yen. So I was talking about 2380. We got to 2376 for a high in the end. I was patient, waiting for the divergence, waiting. Got it on the 4 hour on the end, got it on the 4 hour on the end. So this week, the divergences worked. Glaring divergence here. Glaring divergence. I think you're wrong. I don't know. Starting to look like it could be an ugly week. I say this. Look at your weekly chart, Sir Veteran. Look at your weekly now. Unless there's a dramatic reversal, I'd say today is this week was kind of significant. We'll see. It's still higher on the week. Looks like it wants 121 to me. Everyone doing okay? Okay. Nice to meet you. Some good statements here. Good one, Ziggy. Okay, so we rally back to 109. Oh, wrong one. Nice. See, back to 109. Okay. That's a nice look. That's a very feasible roadmap. Thank you, Borgia. Nice roadmap by Borgia. Hey, Alien, did Rick answer your question? Rick, Alien has a question for you. Everyone doing all right? Not yet? Strange. Everyone doing all right? Alien, that guppy chart. Yeah, I think he was looking for 94-ish. Morning, Alien. Here's Ziggy. I'm gonna send this out. I'm gonna tweet it too. I'm tweeting it. I'm stealing it. I'm tweeting it right now. I just tweeted it. Yeah. All right. I tell you what, guys, a lot of people want to know what the secret is to my analysis. Anyone curious as to what the secret is to my analysis? Give me a why if you want to know. Maybe you don't think I have one, but if you're interested, I'd be happy to show everyone what my edge is in forecasting the markets. Anyone interested? If you are, give me a why. Oh yeah, the guppy chart that you tweeted. You might want to show the community that. Thank you, man. Anyone interested in learning what my secret is for sometimes my very good forecasting abilities? In 40 minutes, 15 after the hour. Israel and Pete want to know. Tico wants to know. Everyone wants to know? Okay. No, it's not that. It's these. Ever since Ziggy sent me these, postage due, I've been seeing the market so clearly. And sometimes I don't even need my cursor method anymore, because I could look at my charts and see candles developing way to the right of my chart. So now you know this is my edge. If you're interested in getting a pair, please contact Ziggy and he'll send a pair out to you. I think everyone in LAR should wear these, and tell me if they help you out. That's my secret. That's my other secret. Thank you, Alien. There's Alien's look. And the guppy, we could be peaking here and on our way down. There's a nice guppy look. Thank you, Alien. I think Tico had a look. Goldie had a look. Here's Goldie's look. The Swiss, big break. Big break coming. Nice shot, Goldie. Nice work, Goldie. So thank you, Alien, and thank you, Goldie. Malcolm nominates Goldie for the Man Award. Okay. No, CK. Here's another look by Alien. Yeah, I got to break the channel. I like it. Nice. Zabi, don't be scared. All right. So Malcolm nominates Goldie. Let me look at this Euro Yen chart first. It scares Zabi. You mean that it could break down like this? It's not going to break down while the Euro's in a rally mode. Looks like a buy. Looks like this was more impulsive. This looks more corrective. We're going to get a pop. But you're right. We could fall apart, but I wouldn't short it here. I'd look for rallies. Someone in the house? Thank you, Zabi. Okay, Goldie's the man. Malcolm, I'm going to honor your nomination, Malcolm. And I agree, Goldie is a great addition to our community. It could be, yeah. A huge move. So, Goldie, congratulations. You were nominated for the Man Award. I believe this is your first Man Award. Everyone congratulate Goldie. Today, he is the man. There are the glasses. Congratulations, Goldie. Hi, Eric. Congratulations, Goldie. Everyone doing all right? Gold rallied a lot, huh? Yeah, I was afraid that might happen. Yeah, wow. Looks like I missed it. Everyone was talking 1050, 1060, and it looks like the bottom's in. Everyone doing all right? You have your glasses on? Good, Zig. So pretty hard to top what the market offered yesterday. Root's trying to hold. Everyone doing all right? Hello, Planet. Who else is here today? Euro GBP, the way we work together. That's a good one by Martin Taylor. So Euro GBP, we share our work with screenshots. If you feel so inclined, go ahead. Pegasus. What are you thinking, Peg? Cyric, what are you thinking? Borgia. CK's in the house. Dr. Severaman's in the house. Hello, doctor. How are you? What's this, alien? That's Janet Yellen doing something. Oh, she's getting ready to get out of here. Cute. Yeah, it's a good one. So stand by for Val. She's going to be here in a little less than a half an hour. I'm going to take a quick break, everybody. I'll be back in 5. Stand by. Feel free to share screenshots while I'm away. It's going to take a quick 5-minute break. Thank you, everyone, for all of your contributions today. I think we have the best community of people sharing ideas on the net, paid or free. That's my most humble and extremely subjective opinion. Okay, I'm back. Yeah, gold really came out of the hole. Everyone doing okay? Okay, Alexander. Looks good, Peg. Hope you're enjoying your time in here, Ghost. How you doing, Fab? How's your hand? How'd your hand heal up, buddy? ISR, did you have a better week this week? Izzy, notice a difference in what we talked about last Thursday? All right, Pete's getting ready to short the Dow. Good hunting, Pete. Euro's fading. Good, buddy. Godspeed. Good, Izzy. See how the yen did make a new high? Based on that confirmed high, it took some time for it to happen, but it happened, didn't it? So it may be that the pound wants, yeah, I hope you're protecting your hands doing that. Lots of slivers, buddy. Wear gloves. So it looks like the pound may want the 61.8 level here. Okay, Pete. We're talking about the 61.8 level in the pound coming in over 53, 53.13, 53.13. Just call me Coach Dale, right, Izzy? Call me Coach Dale. Okay. Ali's got a 42.75 target in crude. Ricardo's got a pound Kiwi look here. Might be failing up here. Thank you, Rick. And Ali's looking for 40. Is that cash? Ali's looking for 4275 right here in the crude. Thank you, Ali. Thank you, Rick. Good one, Zig. Thank you, Ali. Rick's look at CAD. Bearish look. Rising wedge. 3 drives. We talked about it here. Then we said look for a retest. We got it. Thank you, Rick. Oh, shit. Thank you, Rick. Adinda, I need to take another break. Well, no, I guess I'll just wait. No, I better do it. Guys, I have to take a break. I'll try and be back in 15. Okay? I'll try and be back in 15. Okay, I'm back. Hello, everyone. Val is here. Hi, Val.
Hi.
Thanks for waiting. Thanks for
No
waiting for
problem.
me.
No,
How
no
are you
problem.
today?
Just got in.
Okay. So yesterday, Fed minutes came out. Market interpreted it as hawkish, and the dollar came off. So,
Yeah,
what are you
the,
thinking in here?
yeah. I'm not really surprised, mostly because, sorry, I'm really surprised most by the strong reaction we have seen in stocks with the stocks strongly higher. I'm sharing my charts. Can you see them?
I
I
don't, I don't see them yet.
Okay. Let me try again. There they should be. Let's see what happens. Anyway, I was saying that I believe that the most surprising reaction was the strong upward momentum we have seen in American indexes. And I do believe that that's the main reason why the dollar is so weak today, because we have been talking a lot about the possibility of stocks plummeting once the Fed triggers a hike, and all of a sudden the stocks market is showing that they have already priced in a probable rate hike in December, right? So for the most, that's what I'm making out of what happened yesterday. Also, I'm taking a look at my charts, and to be honest, what we are seeing in most pairs, it's just a bit of a correction, particularly speaking in the euro and Japanese yen, right? I don't see much of an upward potential. And if you take a look at the pound, I'm not sure if you can see my charts already or not.
Still can't. Still can't. Did you hit the share button? You know,
I'm
there's more issues. There certainly are a lot of issues in this hangout for me this week.
Really? Okay, because I'm sharing and I believe that everything's fine and there you should
Yeah,
be. See.
all I really see is the icon of you speaking.
Okay,
Kind of a human figure and
sad. But anyway, what I'm trying to say that if you take a look at the pound and you take the latest decline from,
oh,
uh,
now we got him.
you got him? Okay,
Yeah,
from
that
this
was you.
high early November, this November decline, right, to November too high to this. The fact is that we are barely above the 50%. We are not even up to the 61.8% retracement, and that means there's a long way to call for an upward continuation in here, right? Because even if we reach 53.20, we're talking about a correction in here, right? In the rest, it's going on pretty much the same, with the euro for me still being the weakest. Okay, and I'm a bit surprised with Aussie today, a bit surprised, just a bit, because I was not expecting such strength, mostly because what we are seeing in gold is not really stunning. We're still below the previous week lows. Gold is, for me,
Yeah,
pretty bare.
gold popped with the Aussie today.
Yeah, gold, they
At least
popped.
one candle, I think it rallied $6, $7.
Yeah, but still, uh, of course, there's room for further advances in here in the short term, right? I do
Yeah,
have a strong level, static resistance level around 70 to 40. For me, that's the
yeah,
level to watch.
we're still looking at the pound chart.
Yeah, for me, this is the level to watch because we need to take this one to call for an upward continuation, right? If not,
Mhm.
this move for me is just corrective. But anyway, maybe what we have been talking about the Fed, it's what's going to happen, right? Sell the buy the rumor, sell the fact. I don't know. Let's see what happens if they actually uh, hike rates in December.
Okay, and any levels that are important to you in the end?
In the dollar question, well,
Yeah,
actually, yeah, there are a couple
because it looked
because
like a classic stop hunt to me over 360 yesterday,
yeah,
and they took out those highs from a month or so ago, and that
yeah,
was
for
it.
yeah, a couple of pips, but pretty much this looks like a double roof, right? And
Yeah,
course, the neckline, if you take a look, it's around 2220, and we have the 100 simple moving average in there.
Yeah.
So pretty much, I would expect a downward move towards this level during the upcoming hours. And if we break below it, that would be pretty interesting because I would expect the pair to fall down to 2130 or so, which was a strong level over the past October's. Yeah, October.
Okay.
2135.
And what are your levels for the euro again, Bill?
The euro today is not my bestie, but
Okay.
740, 750, right? The pair has been stuck to that level ever since the week started. So if we have an upward continuation of this ongoing upward corrective movement, the pair can go up to there. And if we break above it, 800 is next. But I do expect sellers to surge around 800. I'm not really seeing much of an upward potential in here. And on the other hand, if we lost again 640, 630, I could expect fresh lows below the 600 mark in here. But this 750, 740, 50 area, it's the comfort zone magnet level that has been attracting the price for the past 2 weeks.
Right. Okay. So anything else you want to wrap it with? I appreciate you waiting for me to get here and
No
sharing
problem.
some levels with us.
Honestly, I'm a bit how to say disconnected today with markets action. Not actually because something particular, but because I'm not seeing it clear. So to be honest, today is one of those days I take a step aside in the market, and I honestly try to study something or see what is going to happen next week. I do believe that we have the Bank of Japan later on today, right? I do believe that in the upcoming Asian session we have the Bank of Japan meeting,
Okay.
or we did already. But that's the only event I will consider before the weekend, right? And I don't know. I would like to see if these rallies extend into Friday, right, to settle the tone for the next week.
Okay, Bill. Well, you know what? There was a pretty good example in LAR where, we had Alien, wasn't seeing things clearly, took a week off and did his work and did his diagnosis and waited for his price, and it worked out. So you know what? Not every day is a good day to trade.
Yeah, exactly. Today, to be honest, today is not my day. No, I'm not feeling bad or something like that, but I'm not feeling comfortable with the market today. Not sure why. Maybe because I'm a bit tired, but I don't know. I'm not sure. But anyway,
Okay.
step aside until Monday, at least for me.
Okay, Bill. Well, thank you very much for dropping by and
Oh, my
sharing
pleasure,
levels
as
and sharing
usual.
levels with us.
See you
Thank you.
soon, Dave. Bye
Okay,
bye.
bye-bye, Bill. Everyone thank Valeria Bednarik. Her Twitter handle is at Val Bednarik. Everyone doing all right? Everyone okay? You have no sound? Sound is fine? Okay. All good? All right. Okay, guys, I'm going to wrap it up a little early today. I'm having a little personal issue. That okay with you guys? Okay. So here's the wrap up. Tough to top any of the calls made yesterday. I think we have the beginnings of this bottom. Still can't rule out anything. The beginnings of the top and the yen rolling over pretty good after the stop hunt. That was a good call. Top in the Canada was a very good call. In fact, it made lower highs here. We'll see how much upside it has on any dollar recovery. Euro pound has really been the main disappointment, still moving sideways, but I still believe it's in a base. And that's going to wrap it up for me. I want to thank everyone for their contributions today. I want to thank FXStreet, Adinda, our sponsor, FX Pro. If Lara is helping you guys out to be better traders, the way to reciprocate to FXStreet is to establish an account. Thank you. Thank you. To establish an account with FX Pro. So I hope that my mission of building up and edifying traders every day gave everyone some clarity, facilitating yesterday so everyone was able to take advantage of the post-Fed minutes actions yesterday. I know many did. Your victories are as I enjoy your victories as much as my own. So congratulations, Larians. Nice work. And I'll be back tomorrow and we'll wrap up the week. I think many in here had a good month this week. If you had a good month this week, give me a Y. Give me a Y if you had a good month this week. I did. Anyone else? All right, Pipper. See everyone tomorrow. Adios.